In this problem, we'll multiply two whole numbers. We'll multiply 4,568 times 9. To begin, we'll multiply 9 times 8, which is 72. We'll write the 7 above the 6, write the 2 below. Then we'll multiply 9 times 6. 9 times 6 is 54, plus the 7 tenths that were added up here. 54 plus 7 is 61. We write the 1 here and the 6 above the hundreds. Then we multiply again. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 6 is 51. Write the 1 here and the 5 above the thousands. Finally, we multiply 9 times 4 is 36. 36 plus 5 is 41. And we write the 41 below. And we put a comma to separate the periods. So the product is 41,112.